Afternoon guys and girls, welcome back. Right, before we get to the GoPro camera draw, which is I know what you're all here really to see, I just thought I'd explain what's happened today. Things have gone wrong again. Oh, don't tell me. No. The starter's just broke. Bollocks. Yes, I was just doing some maintenance. I was fitting some Trail Tech gauges onto the aircraft, which I was videoing, and I was going to try and make a video out of it. Unfortunately, when I went to start the engine, you saw what happened. The pull start has locked itself solid. So here again, we are back to pull start woes. If you remember last year, I had a right old job replacing a broken spring in the pull start. It took me 2 days to do a 10-minute job.
That's what I wanted not to happen. Absolute pig of a job.
Made a bloody jump.
Yeah. I need a stiff drink.
Anyway, I've got the starter off. Just spent the afternoon doing that. Interestingly, last time I took the starter off, it was snowing outside and about -10. Today, it's 34 degrees and boiling. Anyway, I've got the starter off and you can quite clearly see what the problem is. The plastic carrier inside the pull start mechanism is completely cracked. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. If not, I will put a still up on the screen to show you what the problem is. So yeah, this plastic part's cracked under spring pressure. It's now opened itself up and it's clamped itself solid against the case here, so it's not turning. So, more emails to Corsair, more emails to Microlight. Let's just hope I don't have to wait 3 months like I did for the exhaust. Anyway, that's enough of that whinging. Let's get on with the draw.
Clear prop.
Firstly, good bit of news, the starter system, the starter pulley is in stock at Microlight. That's on order. In fact, it's on the way to me. So hopefully within the next week or so, I should have that here, have that fitted and get myself back up in the air. Right, anyway, on with the draw, which is what you've all come to see. Firstly, for anybody that's new to this channel, let me explain what I've done. A few weeks ago, I made a video explaining that I was making the switch from GoPro action cameras to DJI action cameras for various reasons. You can go and watch that video. Link up there wherever, and that explains the reasons why. So anyway, as a result of that, I've now got quite a lot of surplus GoPro camera equipment I no longer need, and I thought rather than go through the hassle of trying to sell it on eBay or whatever, I thought it'd be a nice thing to do to give it away to somebody that watches this channel. So it is all used equipment, but it's all in perfect working order and in great condition, so it will do somebody a lot of use if they want to start filming whatever it is that they want to film. So anyway, just to explain what I'm actually giving away, firstly, it's a GoPro Hero 9 action camera, and there is a 256GB SD card in this camera, so whoever gets this, lot's good to go, don't need to buy anything. There is also 3 batteries, 2 of which, the white ones, are the high capacity batteries. They last quite a bit longer, and as well as that, there's also this charging case that can charge up 3 batteries at once. Some other odds and sods, bits and bobs. There's a selfie stick that turns into a bit of a tripod, some other various mounts, bits and bobs that you get, another mount there. There's a head mount as well, charging lead, and also this thing's useful if you do the sort of thing that I do, or if you are filming something and you've got a camera that's out of reach. So for example, I have a camera on the wing, I can't reach it. You can use this to turn the camera on and off remotely. You can also use the app, the GoPro app, which is what I tend to have done. So I've not actually used this, it's still got the cellophane on it, but useful bit of kit. And obviously it's all in a case as well. So whoever left or what you had to do, if the video that I made a few weeks ago, if you left a comment on that video, I'm about to pick one of those comments out at random, and whoever left that comment is going to win all of this lot. Fear not though, if you are new to the channel, I have got a load more GoPro equipment, and I'm going to give another I'm going to do another giveaway at some point in the future, probably a milestone. I think what I might do is, when this thing gets to 3,000, my subscriber count, I will give the remainder of my GoPro camera equipment away. So if you're not subscribed to the channel and you want to be in with a shout of that, then please help me on my way. Help me get this up to 3,000 and click the subscribe button. Right, anyway, enough waffling. Let's pick a winner.
Clear prop.
Right, so just so that you can see that everything is above board, I thought I'd better film the actual picking a comment and picking a winner. I'm not picking the comment out off the video. I'm using something called commentpicker.com, which is a free website. You can go in and it'll pick random comments from YouTube videos, which is exactly what I want. So that's what you can see on the screen in front of you. I have been a bit of a cheapskate and I'm using the free version, which is why there's adverts all over the screen. Sorry about that, there's nothing I can do about it. Anyway, so in here I just need to put the URL of the GoPro video, which is that. I'll click on filter duplicate users, so those people that have left 10 comments thinking that they're going to get 10 entries, that's not worked out for you. You're only going to be classed as one entrant. I want to pick one winner, and I've got to do some sums here as well. I've got to do some maths. 4 plus 7, I can do that. That's 11. I went to school and everything. Get YouTube comments. So that's telling me that there are 86 people that are entered into this competition or giveaway. So let's pick a winner. Start. Here we go. Moment of truth. Robert Little 9590. You are the winner of the GoPro equipment. So let's see what comment Rob left. Glad you managed to get the hours in to revalidate your license. Never use these cameras, but as I'm now well into my training on the weight shift, it is something I am looking forward to doing. Always great content, thanks. Rob, I'm so chuffed that the person that's won is a pilot, someone that's doing the training. Right, Rob, brilliant, made up for you, mate. What I would really like to do, seeing as you are a weight shift pilot, is once you get this camera, if you can video some of your flying, I'd love to share it on the channel with your permission. I think that'll be a nice little turnaround. What you're going to need to do is you're going to need to send me an email to the email address on the bottom of the screen. And then what I have to do, because I have been told that some people go around YouTube claiming prizes that they haven't actually won, I need to make sure that I'm sending the prize to the right person. I'm going to send you back an email with a code word. What you need to do is then go onto this comment that you've left on this video and edit that comment and add that code word. Then I know that it is genuinely you that's won the prize and not somebody else that's trying to scam us. And then once you've done that, I'll send all the stuff off to you. That's it, we're all done. Thank you for watching, hope you've enjoyed it. Please do me a favour, give me a thumbs up and a like and subscribe. Help me get this thing up to 3,000 so I can give some more stuff away. Starter motor's on the way, hopefully she'll be back up in the air very, very soon, and I'll see you there. Cheers, bye bye.